If you think Apple's journey with desktop computing has plateaued, or if you believe a tiny box that fits in the palm of your hand could never truly rival massive, water-cooled gaming rigs and professional workstation towers, what you are about to discover regarding the Apple Mac Mini M5 will completely shatter your expectations. For months, supply chain tracking, internal manufacturing logs, and deep hardware leaks have pointed to a single undeniable truth. Apple is not just updating its smallest desktop, they're weaponizing it. And if you are waiting to buy a new computer, or wondering how artificial intelligence is rewriting the rules of personal hardware, every single detail you are about to hear matters. Let's address the elephant in the room immediately. When Apple radically shrunk the Mac Mini down to that iconic, ultra-compact 5x5-inch footprint, critics thought they had reached the absolute physical limit of miniaturization. They assumed future updates would just be minor spec bumps. A slightly faster chip here, a modest tweak there. But the engineering layout for the M5 generation reveals something entirely different. Apple has taken that masterclass in industrial design and optimized it from the silicon up, creating a thermal and computational monster that punches so far above its weight class it genuinely defies logic. To understand why this machine is causing absolute panic among traditional PC manufacturers, you have to look under the hood at the engine driving it. The M5 architecture. Built on an advanced, hyper-optimized 3nm production node, the M5 chip introduces a completely redesigned graphics and processing layout. But the real headline, the detail that changes everything about how this computer operates, is the integration of a dedicated neural accelerator inside every single GPU core. Let that sink in for a moment. Apple isn't just relying on a general-purpose processor or a standard neural engine anymore. They have baked dedicated artificial intelligence hardware directly into the graphics fabric of the machine. Industry benchmarks and leaked architectural maps indicate that this setup delivers up to 3.5 times the raw AI computing performance compared to previous generations. Tasks that used to choke desktop computers, local large language model processing, real-time voice synthesis, complex neural upscaling, and heavy algorithmic rendering, execute instantly, locally, and completely offline. Your computer is no longer just processing data. It is thinking alongside you in real time. Backing up that revolutionary chip is a massive overhaul to memory architecture that solves the single biggest complaint power users have had for years. The days of insulting, bottlenecked baseline memory tiers are officially over. Apple is standardizing a massive baseline of unified memory across the M5 lineup, paired with a staggering memory bandwidth increase that pushes past 153 gigabytes per second. What does that mean for your daily workflow? It means you can open hundreds of browser tabs, render high bitrate 8K video timelines, run heavy local AI models, and jump between massive application suites without a single stutter, drop frame, or memory swap. Everything stays instantly accessible, fluid, and lightning fast. And let's talk about storage, because the baseline specs have finally caught up with modern demands. Apple is moving to higher baseline storage tiers out of the box, ensuring that you don't instantly run out of space the moment you download your professional application library. Paired with blazing fast